Hey you guys, it's me Nicole. So I have a story actually for you guys today. It's a made-up story, and it helps me remember the order of operations. Now I know most of you know, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Anyway, here's this really interesting story about a girl named Marie. So she's sitting under a tree and she has, you know, her math books. P.S. My math teacher made this up. Anyway, she has her math books everywhere around her, and she falls asleep. And she wakes up, and she's not under the tree. She's like near this cafe called the Math Cafe, and the decorations are like math equations and problems and world records, history, World Cups, whatever. And she sits down, and the waiter's like a really pushy guy, like, "What's your order? What's the order? What's the order?" And she goes, "I don't know." And she took the menu, and I'm making a YouTube video. Sorry about that. Anyway, so she took a menu, and she looks at the menu, and like, that's my brother. Anyway, 2 minutes later, the waiter comes back and says, "Give me your order. What's the order?" And she goes, "I don't know." So she's just gazing out the window right next to her table when suddenly she sees her mom and dad jogging by. And her mom and dad never like go running. They're lazy. And so they're jogging by her in this restaurant, and she's really confused. She must be in a parallel universe or whatever. So her mom and dad are running by.
What? They're in my binder.
Shortly after, her mother and father, mom and dad, run by. Her aunt and sister run by. And you know, her aunt and sister hang out a lot, but not usually running. So her aunt and sister run by. And then her PE teacher is in the back, like it's some sort of race. And he runs up screaming, me first, and he gets every single person, and he wins. Second place was the mom and the dad, and third place was the sister and the aunt. So, phys ed teacher, first place.
Nicole, can you go down a little lower so we can...
Sure, let me just finish this video.
It's alright, I have my ears covered.
Mom and dad, second place. Aunt and sister, third place. PEMDAS, order of operations. So, that equals pretty much parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction.
Here's all the words.
The clever thing about this, remember, multiplication does not always have to
Come
come
closer to me so we can...
before division. It's just whatever is first in the equation. Same with multiplication, and same with addition and subtraction.
That will expand your muscles.
You don't have to do addition before subtraction. If you're reading the equation and a subtraction thing comes first,
Okay, so tell me.
go ahead.
Give me some words.
Do that.
You know what? This will be a lot easier with my word journeys notebook.
Okay, where's that?
Hope this